Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Hobart part #00 to 358,516.00001. The Vulcan Heart 00 to 358,516.00001 is a motor for commercial cooking. Equipment: it is a 1/3 horsepower, 115 V, 60 Hz, single-phase motor with a 1/2 diameter shaft. This motor is designed to be used in Vulcan Heart commercial ovens and ranges. It features an open drip roof enclosure and has a speed of 1725 RPM. The motor also has a built-in thermal overload protection and comes with mounting hardware. This motor is an ideal replacement for worn-out or damaged motors in Vulcan Heart commercial cooking equipment. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for a Vulcan Heart commercial oven. It would fix any issues related to the oven motor, such as not turning on or not heating properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the Vulcan Heart unit. 2. Remove the screws that secure the access panel to the unit and remove the panel. 3. Disconnect the wires from the existing motor and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new motor in its place, making sure that it is securely mounted to the bracket. 5. Reconnect all of the wires to their respective terminals on the new motor, taking care to ensure that they are connected correctly, according to their labels or diagrams provided with your new motor. 6. Replace the access panel and secure it. Well, you can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.